So apparently Jean makes a commission on her sales, and we wanted to know what was the amount of that commission in the first half of 1988. So statement 1 tells us what percent her commission is. Okay, so it's 5%, but 5% of what? I don't know. So statement 1 is not sufficient on its own. Statement 2 compares her total sales in the first half of 1988 to her total sales in the second half of 1988, and it looks like she did better in the second half, right? Her average monthly sales went up by $10,000 in the second half, but went up from what, right? What was her average monthly sale in the first half? If I knew that, I could multiply it by 6 to get the total sales for the first half of the year. And I mean, that on its own wouldn't be sufficient, but with the information from statement 1, we would take 5% of the total amount of sales in the first half of 1988, and we would be able to answer the question. So then the answer would have been C. But I don't know what the monthly average sales went up from. So that's great that they went up by $10,000 each month on average. But I don't know what the starting point was. So even when combining these two statements, since I don't know the actual total sales of the first half of the year, there's no way that I could answer this question, and the correct answer is E. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.